In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Afterpay or ClearPay in your Stripe account. It's a straightforward process that will allow your business to offer more flexible payment options, delighting your customers and potentially boosting your sales. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to turn on this feature seamlessly. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Stripe account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the navigation menu. There, you'll see a host of options to manage different features within Stripe, but today we're specifically interested in enabling Afterpay or ClearPay as part of your payment methods. So look for the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it, and you'll notice a menu that drops down with different categories of settings that allow for detailed customization of your account. From this menu, you'll want to make your way to the Payment tab under Product Settings. Clicking on this will lead you to a page that houses various aspects of payment settings in your Stripe account. Here, you can manage how your business accepts money from customers, from traditional credit cards to innovative buy now, pay later options like Afterpay or ClearPay. Now, once you're on the payment settings page, you'll again glance through until you find a heading or section labeled Payment Methods. This is going to be your gateway to all the different available methods that customers can use. Stripe offers many different options, so it's crucial to scroll through and find the specific section you need. In this instance, we're looking for either Afterpay or ClearPay. Both these services are visually easy to spot thanks to their unique branding elements. When you locate ClearPay, it might also be referred to as Afterpay based on your region, you'll see an option to enable it. ClearPay offers installment payment capabilities that are very popular in today's e-commerce world, and turning it on can provide significant benefits for both you and your customers. To enable it, you simply have to click on the toggle switch next to it that says Turn On. This action will activate the service, and Stripe will update your settings to support this payment method. Once you click the toggle, just give it a moment to ensure that the settings have updated properly. It's always a good idea to refresh the page or log out and log back in to verify that the changes have taken effect. That's all there is to it. You've just enabled Afterpay or ClearPay on your Stripe account and are now ready to offer your customers an excellent, flexible payment option. Keep an eye on your sales dashboard to see how this new feature might lead to enhanced customer satisfaction and increased sales. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check out other videos for more helpful tips.